In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove the Google Smart Lock on Instagram. So if you've launched up Instagram and you are logged out and it keeps on popping up that Google Smart Lock pop-up, I'll show you how to get rid of that. So exit out of Instagram, then go into the settings of your phone. Once you're on your settings page, scroll down till you find biometrics and security. So there it is right at the top, tap on that. Then you want to scroll down some more till you find other security settings. It's right at the bottom there, tap on that. And you want to scroll down even further till you find trust agents right over here. And there you can see it says Smart Lock brackets Google. Just toggle that down. Then you can go back onto where Instagram is on your phone, long press on the app, and then you can see that little eye icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on that, and then you just want to go to storage, and then you just want to clear the data. Press on OK, and then the Google Smart Lock will be off. So that is how you remove Google Smart Lock on Instagram. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.